the former Arsenal player, Brian McDermott, hoping to end a horrible sequence against Arsenal. This is their 10th meeting with them, and they have lost all of the previous 9. Wide by Coquelin, and here's Gnabry's first touch. Here's Nicky Shorey. Hunt. Robson, Canu, Roberts! Terrific start for Reading, and it's the old warhorse himself, Jason Roberts.
Well, if you're a young striker and you want to know how to lose a defender, lose your marker to get on the end of a cross, take a look at this, because at 33 years old, he uses all his nous, Jason Roberts, and he gets it.